Hi, my name is Zara, and today I'll be teaching you how to monitor and visualize live data on FlexLogger using CDAC. So right now we are on the Channel Specifications tab and we have configured all of the channels. So we'll go over to the Screen tab to visualize the data. What I want to visualize this time is my thermocouple data and my light sensor data. So to do this, I will add a long history graph for the temperature data. And I'm going to change the visible length to 0.5 minutes. I will also add a upper limit at around 21 degrees Celsius so that we can see when the temperature goes above that point. Actually, I'm going to change it to around 22. So this is our temperature graph, and now I'll add a tank for our light sensor. So this tank is going to help us. I'm going to click the light sensor channel, and this tank is going to help us visualize how bright or how many lumens the light sensor is currently receiving. To further analyze the temperature graph, I will also add a stats legend. And this stats legend allows me to see the min, max, and average temperature that's currently being received. I can also even add a cursor legend. So this, you can move it by going on the edge, and I can click the plus button and it will click a certain point and we can see the y-axis readings. In this video, you have seen how to monitor and visualize live data from a thermocouple and light sensor. Thank you for watching.